Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a few weeks since my orange car has been out. As I've mentioned in the last video with the car, I've been experiencing problems with the starter. So over the last few days the car wouldn't start at all. So I've decided to replace the magnetic part of the starter. I don't know if that's the proper word in English. It's the Magnetschalter in German. So anyway, it's this little part here. So I've installed a new one and the car is now restarting again. So that's definitely a good sign. So keeping my fingers crossed that the car will now be starting as always as I want it to start. But I have another thing for today. I've mentioned in the last video with my green car that I've ordered some new parts for both cars. And for this car I ordered the entire engine cover. If you've seen my video Never Again, it was a reaction video to the work that's been done in Poland over the last summer with this car. And in short, I was very displeased. I'm still displeased and disappointed. But anyway, one thing that's been more damaged than repaired is the engine cover, or the entire engine for that matter. But anyway, first the engine cover. It's been scratched, repainted by a cheap spray paint, I would say. So I don't think that you can see it clearly on the video. It was clearly an orange color, but this one seems like a spray paint job and it's somewhat oily. So definitely it's not suitable for the car anymore. And I wanted it to originally be black because it's too orangey, but this didn't turn out to be as I wanted it. So anyway, I've ordered the entire engine cover. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow. So within the next few weeks, months, I will definitely make an appointment with a mechanic to have it installed. But that's just one part. Clearly the mechanic was very bad at his job for whatever reason. This valve cover, it's now the orange one. The Polish mechanic used a black one. So anyway, he screwed the screws so much without a torque wrench that the gasket was split in two parts and the oil was spilling all over the engine cover. Luckily I haven't been driving the car that much ever since the car has been back in Austria since October of last year. So hopefully there is no damage. The entire engine will be taken out of the car and then reassembled with the black engine cover. And now I have to decide which car to prioritize. I really would love to drive more with this car. In the 10 years that I've been having the car, or I had the car, I've only driven 8,000 kilometers, which is very little. And on the other hand, the green car is my daily driver, and I've been driving with it on a regular basis clearly for the last 6 years, and I've managed to do over 13,000 kilometers. So that's the decision that I have to make shortly. But if I'm being honest, I would prefer for now to have the green car repaired, checked and everything else, because as I said, it's my daily driver. This car is only being driven on very nice days like today. But I have to make a decision. So that's everything for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, leave your comments down below. Share this video with everyone who is interested in the topics I do, and see you next time. Bye bye.